Right, I've just rolled it out, and yeah, we got tear towel weeping, so we'll have a look at the core plug. Yeah. See that one in there. See it weeping down. I should have got the torch in there, really. Okay, right. Little wet patch where it was here overnight. Oh yeah, you can see it running streaky right down there. Get it into focus. So, right, so we'll undo the exhaust, just to get that off, and clean off all the moist oil and stuff. Rinse this down, and yeah, do the core plugs, clean the box off, and yeah, go from there. But on the whole, it's actually a really, really good car. Obviously the manifolds are off, so try and sort of spin them round in the hole. Yeah, look at that. Big hole in the bottom. Push him out later. Right, there you go. Just got to rinse it out. Is there? Oh, yep, there is sludge in there. Look at that, nice little spoonful. Let's take the drain tap off as well. Yeah, I'll just open that up, and yeah, you see it's no water coming out. Dirty. Right. So anyway, you carry on, flush it all out. So you've cleaned all that out. just get some of this, like, you know, black RTV silicone. And although some people say it's not necessary, it probably isn't, but we'll do it anyway, just in case, because of the effort. Now, just spilling stuff everywhere. Just get this on the camera as well. And just to put a smear around the outside, just in case there's any air pockets or whatever. Again, so that's all right like that. Put that in there, tuck it in, get your hammer on a little socket just to drift it in. There we go. Job done. And then repeat for all 5. Oh, I'm just going to take the rocker cover off and do the gasket. Now, it's got these funny things on there instead of normal screws. This slot's really tiny. You can't get any screwdriver to put in it, because this is probably the days where it was crossing over with French parts. And what I found that fits it is this basically 12-sided socket, 5/16, but it's 12-sided. For your info. This is a better idea than the 1725 ones. You see it's got this little bit so you can sort of click the little tab in and it holds the gasket in, which is a far better idea. So yeah, same with that side, that will go in. And yeah, sits on there nice. I thought we'd just have a quick look at this actually, just for reference for anyone who hasn't seen a mint Avenger estate. This is all, yeah, really good. Bit of mud up there, but it's still got these grommets on the corner. You can still see all the spot welds along the sills and stuff. All these little pockets are all mint. I have got a couple of these petrol tanks if anyone needs one. They've got slightly different exits though. But yeah, you look at that all around, even sort of inside behind there, look. Yeah, is good. So this is probably close to factory as you're ever going to see. Put a couple of new clamps back on the exhaust. The owner is posting me a steering gator just to put on there and there. Rinsed off the gearbox and that and make it look a bit tidier. But yeah, I mean, look at the inner sills in there. They're about as perfect as you're ever going to see on a Roots car. Really nice. Bit of mud in the swinging arms, bit of mud on there, but apart from that, that's really good.